Morning, children. This lesson is of class 8 for the subject of mathematics, topic percentage. It is submitted to you on 23rd November 2020. Students, you have already discussed about the percentage in your previous classes. And also, you use this concept in your daily life. So, let us start our topic. The word percent means per hundred, means upon hundred, or out of hundred. Suppose Srishti got 85 marks out of 100 in mathematics. It means she got 85% marks in mathematics. And how will we write it? We can write it as 85%. This is the symbol for percent, as you already know. We can also say that the percentage is the numerator of a fraction with denominator 100. Means in the denominator there will be 100 and in the numerator there can be any value. But if the total is not 100, or we can say that in the denominator if there is not 100, how can we make the denominator 100? So for this, let us discuss an example. Suppose I am having a necklace having 20 beads, and out of 20 beads, 12 are red in color and 8 are green in color. Then what will be the fraction for red color? Yes, it will be 12 upon 20. But if I have to give the answer in percentage, means how much percentage of beads are red in color and how much percentage of beads are green in color. Now, fraction for red we are having, that is 12 upon 20. Now, in the denominator, we have to make what? 100. It means if we multiply it by 5, we can get 100. So, same in the denominator also, we will multiply it with 5. So, what we get? That is 60 upon 100. So, now we can easily say this, that 60% of beads are red in color. And obviously, so 40% beads will be green in color. Fine, students? Now, let us discuss some rules. First is, how can we convert the percentage to fraction? Suppose we have to convert 18% to fraction. Always keep in mind, whenever we remove the symbol percent, we put the 100 in the denominator. So what we get? 18 upon 100. Now, if the cancellation is possible, then you have to do. Otherwise, this will be your final fraction. But in this case, the cancellation is possible. So we will do the cancellation by the table of 2. What we get? 9 upon 50. So this is the required fraction. Now let us discuss how can we convert fraction to percentage. We have discussed now how can we convert percentage to fraction. Now we are doing how can we convert fraction to percentage. Suppose we are having a fraction 4 upon 5 and we have to convert it into percentage. Fine. So what is the rule? Write the fraction, multiply it by 100 and put it in the bracket and write the symbol percent. Again, I am telling, write the fraction, multiply by 100, put the bracket with the symbol of percentage. So, cancellation. So, what we get? 4 into 20, that is 80%. This is simple. Suppose we have to convert the fraction 1 upon 8 to the percentage. In the same way, write the fraction, multiply 100, put the bracket, then symbol of percentage. Again, by the table of 4, we have done the cancellation. What we get? 25 upon 2% or 12.5%. Clear, students? Now, how can we convert percentage to decimals? This is again very simple. You have to remove this symbol of percentage, and whenever we remove the symbol, we put 100 in the denominator. And now you have to write it in the decimal. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So start counting the digits from the back side. 1, 2. 2 zeros are there. So we will count till 2 digits. Now put the decimal here, and before the decimal there is no digit, then you can simply put 0. Suppose we have to convert 54% to decimal. Again, we can write it 54 upon 100. How many zeros? 2 zeros. So, you can easily write this in the decimal form. Suppose we have to convert 0.02% into decimal form. First of all, if you see this is already in the decimal. Fine. So what we will do, we will remove its decimal first. 2 by 100. For the percentage, we put 100 in the denominator. This we have removed the decimal and this 100 is for the symbol of percentage. So what we get? 2 upon 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear? Now how many zeros are there? 4 0. Now first of all write the numerator. 4 zeros are there. Start counting till 4 digits. 1. There is no digit further, so we can put zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 and put the decimal. Now before the decimal no digit is there, you can simply put 0. Clear, students?